I am teaching in a school now, and I had somebody recently ask me, why are you still teaching? You homeschooled your kids all those years. You taught kids for so many years. You could be doing anything now. You could be going anywhere. You could be enjoying life. You could be starting any new venture. Why are you still here teaching? And I was kind of startled by the question because to me, this wasn't a burden. It wasn't a chore. It was Sadaqah Jariyah, right? It was a charitable act that inshallah will keep on giving. And inshallah, I hope to see the reward of it long after I've left this world, inshallah. And that is the only reason any of us can do the kind of work that requires community engagement, dealing with young people, dealing with families, dealing with people who are in crisis, dealing with people who are in pain. And so intentionality changes everything. That's a thing to remember when we are working with the community and when we are trying to figure out what's next.